Okay, an option that we have for this part, which is very tricky because it's very small, is to go to this file that they offer, the people that created this. This is a batch layout. We can hit open. And then you have all the parts. I believe I showed this before. You can just go ahead and, for example, if we're gonna be printing, it was 117, it's going to be here. So we can just delete this one. And then this one's we can make a duplicate here. It's not going to increase the time that much, the printing time. And then they added this not using the auto placement support but doing it manually. As you can see here, we have green touch points. That means that they manually added those, and they added a bunch. So, and they use a whole RAF, so you can play with it, of course. Try to change the support and the RAF using a mini RAF, but like I said, I believe that one of the reasons that our printing job failed was because the RAF was too small and it didn't attach to the bed. It probably detached mid printing. So we're gonna do a full raft, and then we can just start. And it has been received. Okay guys, our printing is done. Always close this cap, make sure it's closed, and then we're gonna take our bed, printing bed or platform. As you can see, we have uncure resin everywhere. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna place this right here. We're gonna open our wash unit. We take the platform, turn it around, and it's gonna be sitting like this. After that's secure, we go to specifications. They recommend to wash it for 15-20 minutes. So we put here 15 minutes. Let's do 17, 16. You can try 15 first and see how it goes. I'm gonna try 15 first. Start. And then we wait. Okay, so once that's done, we take our platform and then we can use this tool to help remove it from the printing bed. And then we take both parts and we place them in the curing station. You can go to this website where you can select the material. This is from Formlabs, and it will tell you the time required and the temperature. And you have a graph here to achieve the recommended tensile strength, which is above 78%. And we need at least 15 minutes. So we come here, we select the 15 minutes, that's good. We have 80 degrees Celsius, and then we can close it and start the curing. Close this because we use 99.9 isopropyl alcohol and it evaporates pretty fast. If you see here, there is a minimum and a maximum line. We are right about the minimum, so we need to add a little bit more of alcohol. For your platform, your printing bed, you can use isopropyl alcohol to clean it. So you can add a little bit and just start removing it, being gentle, of course. We have a little bit of resin that's got stuck here. We add a little bit more, we'll let it sit there for a little bit, and then we scrap that. You can use this to help you. Once that's clean, we just have to come here, put it back. Is it clean? Yes, it is clean. Making sure that's closed, and that's it. After the curing finish, we're gonna have a part that's safe to manipulate without using gloves. Now it is safe to grab it. We have no uncured resin anywhere, and so right now what we have to do is to remove the supports. You have this tool right here, which is very useful. Okay guys, so we can start cutting by the touch points. This is a very small part that we printed, so we have to be careful not to damage any features. Always make sure to wear eye protection because these pieces go flying, and once removed, this is what we have left. This is a NeuroPixel chassis. And the 0.117 version.